everyone, what's up? I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm here with my top 15 children's books recommendations. Yes, so when I mean children, it ranges from class 4 to until class 10, I guess. So all these books I had read when I was in class 4 to class 7 or 8, and most of the books are my all-time favorites except a few. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So my first recommendation is from my all-time favorite author Enid Blyton, Famous Five. Yes, so Famous Five was the first book that my father had bought for me when I was in class 5 or 6, I don't really remember, and I just fell in love with the stories. It's a beautiful adventure series and all the kids out there just love Famous Five. So yeah, moving on to my second recommendation, that's again from Enid Blyton, Secret Seven. So it's again an adventure series involving 7 friends. So Famous Five and Secret Seven both are like similar but quite different, I must say, and both are amazing series in themselves. My third recommendation is again from the same author. I told you, right? She's my all-time favorite author. And even as an adult, I still go back to reading her stories whenever I feel low or whenever I want to feel like a kid. So my third recommendation is Malory Towers. Now this is a story about an all-girls boarding school. So it describes all their day-to-day life, the fun they have, all the pranks they play, and everything. It's amazing. It's an amazing read. So because it's about girls' hostels, so maybe boys won't like it so much, but there are a lot of aspects in the book, so you can go ahead and give it a read. My fourth recommendation is, can you guess? Well, without this, my list would be incomplete, right? Harry Potter. Yes, so Harry Potter is one series which is not only meant for kids, it's meant for everybody out there. So if you have watched all the movies and you think that you know everything about the series, then you are quite wrong, because I would say that the movies say only 30% of the entire story. And apart from it being a fantasy series which every kid out there loves, it has so many important teachings, so many important learning. There are lots of things that we can learn from it. It's a beautiful story and everybody out there should read the stories, read the series. My next recommendation is again from a fantasy genre. It's the Chronicles of Narnia. This is also a great series and people out there love it. Moving on to my next recommendation, I recommend all the books written by Roald Dahl. For example, Matilda, The Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. These are some amazing children's books. On the same note, I also recommend books written by Ruskin Bond. He has written some amazing stories for children. So yeah, that's one author I really vouch for. My next recommendation is a story which is very close to my heart. I had read this story when I was quite young, probably in class 4. I'm talking about The Call of the Wild. It's a story about sledge dogs, and I just don't have any words to explain the story. I would just suggest everybody to pick up the book and read it. It's amazing. You will feel very engrossed with the stories and you will like it. It's amazing. Next recommendation is The Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Now this is again a series and people love the series. For my next recommendation, these particular books I did not like so much, but maybe because I do not like horror stories so much, but there are many people who just love these books, so probably you are one of them who will love it. So I'm talking about Goosebumps. Yeah, I personally did not love them so much, but it's one of the good books out there for children. My next recommendations are classics which I had read when I was a kid. So there's Oliver Twist, there's Kidnapped, Treasure Island, and A Christmas Carol. So these are some amazing reads and every kid should read them. So it might be that the language or the writing style might be a bit difficult for some of you out there. So what you can do is you can grab one of those abridged versions that is available, specially made for kids, and you can give it a read. My last two recommendations are not exactly kids stories or children's stories. They are more of teenage stories, but I couldn't end my videos without including these in my top 15 list. So I'm talking about Agatha Christie. Everybody loves the murder mysteries by her. She is aptly called the queen of crimes, right? Queen of crime stories. So yeah, and my last recommendation is obviously Sherlock Holmes. So with that, I will end today's video. I hope you loved my recommendations, and let me know in the comment section if you have any other recommendations or suggestions for me. I would really love that. With that, I will take off and see you again next week with part 2 of this particular series, Children's Books Recommendations. Bye bye guys, stay safe.